Miss McKinney,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're back.
Yes.
I hope we are in better spirits.
I am.
Okay, good. And we're not going to allow each other to press each other's buttons, right?
Correct.
We'll
Okay,
see what she
ready.
does.
Okay, so we took the DNA testing, had all that done. Did you all have any problems with that?
No, none at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, have the two of you had an opportunity to speak at all?
We've
No
spoken.
way. No.
Lies.
All right. Okay. We spoke for 30 seconds. That doesn't count. I didn't want to talk to you. You came up to me. I tried to end the conversation as quick as possible.
The courtroom is filled with tension as Miss McKinney returns. The judge reminds both sides to stay calm, but emotions rise fast. A short 30-second conversation between them ends in hostility. With DNA results still pending, neither side is willing to back down. Stay tuned. This case is about to erupt.
Your Honor, permission to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
That is not true. He called me and he asked me, he said, look, I don't know which way this paternity test is gonna go, but if you'll just let me put it on you one more time, we can smooth all of this out, blah, 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 all of that crap.
Oh, so that's a lot in 30 seconds.
Really?
No, that's not what I said, but
When he lies, he puts his hand up like that on his cheek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a lie pose.
And you
Exhausting.
found all that out in 72 hours?
I did.
Interesting. Okay. So,
you see how aggressive she is about this? This
I'm
is
just excited.
She doesn't need help for her daughter. This
Come
is
on
about
with the
revenge.
results,
This
please.
is clearly about getting back at me and punishing me for not, I don't know, staying with her forever. I don't know.
Results.
She takes the stand and makes a shocking claim. She says he asked for one last night together to settle things between them. The courtroom gasps. She accuses him of lying with his hand on his cheek, as she puts it. He fires back, saying she's out for revenge. It's no longer just legal, it's deeply personal.
but it's been 9 years.
I know it's been, it's odd timing, isn't it? Right when I have a fiance and have a son, that's when she chooses to do this. Isn't that kind of odd timing here, Your Honor?
I mean, the timing does seem a little interesting.
I just came to the realization that, hey, I can do it alone, but I don't have to do it alone. If he's taking care of his other son and his fiance, that's fine. I don't need him to take care of me or my daughter, but it would be the right thing to do. And that's what he's going to do.
And
If he's the father.
He's a father.
Okay. And you're sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, bailiff, we have those results.
After 9 years of silence, she filed this case right when he got engaged and had a new child. Was it just a coincidence or something more calculated? She insists this isn't about revenge, it's about their daughter. But he questions the timing, and even the judge raises an eyebrow. And then a check shows up in court.
Cheers, check, because I don't want to
That's
personal
not
check.
nice.
Well, I'm just saying.
You can't say that to him yet, though.
Okay.
We
All
don't
right.
know if he's even going to be the father to pay child support.
I know.
But if you are indeed the father, I wouldn't recommend you make a payment today because the order would just be being signed today.
Is there an appeal process even if I am the father?
What would you be appealing exactly?
I don't think that based on the way she's been treating me and based on her selective choice of when to bring this issue up in order to, harm my relationship with my family, I consider that a form of harassment.
He brought a cashier's check ready to pay child support. But the judge stops everything. No support will be ordered until paternity is confirmed. That's the law. He accuses her of harassment and trying to destroy his family. The entire courtroom is stunned. What he suggests next leaves everyone speechless.
What'd you say, Your Honor?
You
Remember?
laughed at that.
Remember
No,
when
I didn't hear.
Oh, let me say it a
I'm the
little
only
louder.
white person she's been with, right?
There is
Remember that?
no probability that he is the father.
Okay, so first of all, no disrespect to you, but the letter looks a little sketchy.
Okay.
It wasn't in a
It's got
legal
writing on
size
it.
envelope.
That's why it's sketchy.
So, and I don't trust him because his uncle is an attorney, okay? And his
Okay.
uncle can do
What
all
does that have to
types
do with
of
anything?
stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't even trust that.
Wait a minute. I believe at the beginning, I asked you all how the test went.
I mean, the
you
test-
said, wait a minute, hold on. You said everything went good, right?
He actually proposes a restraining order to avoid paying child support. The judge is shocked. But just then, the DNA test results come in. The answer is final. He is not the father. The courtroom goes silent. But she isn't ready to accept and what she does next stuns the room again.
It did.
And it did, and it was fair that day, right?
Yes.
They swabbed her mouth correctly.
The person appeared to be wearing PPE and the person appeared to work, for that service. And the test itself went well, but behind the scenes, Your Honor.
And it
a lot
appears
goes
that
on.
these results are directly from the testing place. And he's not the father.
He is the father. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Your
Let
Honor.
me tell you not. No, he's not.
He's the father.
He's not. So you're gonna
You're
going
lost.
to argue with DNA test.
She says the results don't seem right. Her reason? She believes his uncle, who's an attorney, might have tampered with the test. Her evidence: a private tattoo only she claims to know about. The court is confused. Is she desperate, or could there be something deeper going on? The judge listens but remains skeptical.
That's very possible. It's
So,
very likely.
How is it possible?
Because there were like 6 or 7, 8 hours stretches during that time where I didn't see you or know where you were. I don't know what you were doing. You know what? Maybe I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you don't even remember this other guy. It's possible with the rate you were going in those days. So I'm willing to grant you that you may not have been lying.
Man.
You may
Okay.
not have been lying about thinking that I was the only white guy you were with.
Well, just answer my question. Do you have a tattoo on your private part?
I have a birthmark that kind of looks like a bird. Maybe
No,
that's
it
what you
says
thought.
Mississippi long. Do you have that tattoo?
Okay,
No.
well, you know what? This is what we're
Never
about
been
to
to
do.
Mississippi.
This is what we're about to do.
He turns the tables. Says she disappeared for long stretches during those days. Suggests there could have been someone else. Then she asks about the tattoo. He responds, it's a birthmark. The judge is done playing games. Final part, the court drops the gavel.
At this
He flips the script. He says she used to disappear for days at a time. He believes there could have been someone else. Then she asks about the tattoo. His response? It's a birthmark. That's it. The judge has heard enough. The truth has finally surfaced.
rate, we're not getting anywhere. I've already said what the results were, which means I'm dismissing this case. You are more than welcome to bring another case. And if his account is true that you don't remember, you can bring another case after that. But the court is here to assist you. So if there are no more questions and nothing further, which it shouldn't be, you all are dismissed.
Hell no, it shouldn't be.
Whatever. You got a tattoo.
The judge ends the case. The DNA results clearly show he is not the father. The case is dismissed. But the emotional mess is far from over. The judge tells her she can file another case if needed, but today, this one is closed. The shouting, the pain, the drama ends here. If this left you shocked, like, comment, and subscribe for more true courtroom moments that matter.